Okay, this is what I got done today. I got 6 sections here that I've put the stringers on, kind of reinforced them. It's all pressure treated wood. They're 5 feet tall, 48 or 42 inches wide, and the panels will fit on it like I'll show you here in a minute, if I can keep my shadow out of the damn picture. So I have 6 sections. Each section can hold 4.5 panels. So figure, you do the math. It's all pretty much leveled out. And with the heavy beams on top, there's enough if I needed to go up. I can go up and put some of these same panels horizontally. I got these on here just kind of tacked on. So I can get 4.5 between each upright. Got it leveled out pretty good. Sorta. But that's where it's at. And what I did was I sighted down the microwave relay station tower that's at the end of the road. So I got the magnetic bearing to set these things up, and they're set at 50 degrees angle, which is identical to what the microwave tower has their panels at. I figure if they did it that way and they chose those numbers, they're like, you know, professionals. It's a nice setup to have down there. It's got to be right. So anyhow, getting ready to split. It's been really cool up here today. Kind of quiet, and just a couple generators running, some quads here and there. But this is kind of like why I put these panels here. This is the open area. It's totally unobstructed with trees. So I have some good solar potential up here. Now all I need is a couple more controllers, because I can't control all these panels off of one controller. I'm going to have to split them up into banks of 3 sets. So I'll have 3 controllers, and I can actually parallel the controller outputs to the battery packs. So we'll see how that turns out. These are Siemens SP75 panels, 75 watts a piece, 4.4 amps, 17 volts with, I believe it's like a 21 volt open circuit output out of them. So I should be able to get a bunch of power out of this when I'm done with it. So, and the greenhouse, and the well, and then the trailer. Okay, enough of that crap. We're done here. Oh, looks like I'm going to need a new flag here pretty soon. This one's getting pretty tattered. But it looks kind of neat when it's ripped up like that with a POW. Okay, we're done here.